Minister of Labour and Social Security Pernell Charles Jr. is asking for patience from Hurricane Melissa victims who've applied for housing grants under the ROOFs program and have not yet received assistance. It comes the day after the opposition criticized the government for its management of the program. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
We are doing assessments right now. So the person saying that we have stopped assessments, again, it could well be out of ignorance. But it's important to pass the knowledge that we are doing assessments and we continue to do assessments. We have not stopped doing assessments.
Labour and Social Security Minister Pernell Charles Jr., when asked by journalists on Wednesday about whether there was any consideration to reopen the self-reporting form for the restoration of owner or occupant family shelters ROOFs program, the government announced a February 28 deadline for self-reporting damage caused by Hurricane Melissa. But according to Minister Charles Jr., the program was technically not closed.
What about persons who are not in the system and they want to self-report right now? Is that something that can still be done?
So we acknowledge that there may be genuine cases of persons who, for whatever reason, either were not here or whatever the cause, did not get assessed and did not get to self-report. We are evaluating that on a case-by-case basis.
Opposition members of parliament in the worst affected constituencies on Tuesday revealed that they've been receiving overwhelming requests from Hurricane Melissa victims for housing assistance. At Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing, Minister Charles Jr. announced that the ROOFs program is now in a reconciliation phase.
The ministry is going to work closely with stakeholders, and the goal is for us to identify those gaps and any unresolved matters. So anyone that has any concerns, instead of raising those concerns to agitate, which is your right, we are asking that you provide us with the concerns so we can resolve.
$10 billion has been allocated to the ROOFs program. According to the minister, almost all of it has been dispersed. Priorities being placed on the most vulnerable. Those with severe damage will receive $500,000. There are close to 18,000 people in that category. That's almost $10 billion alone. When asked how the government will fund the over 83,000 people who've been approved for grants for minor and major damage,
we have advised and we have always said initial $10 billion allocation. That in and of itself is an indication that we anticipate more. So we have always projected for there to be more. With the view of waiting until we get more data to analyze, to guide us exactly what it is will be needed to sufficiently satisfy the persons who have been impacted by Hurricane Melissa.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.